Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about why you must stick with your trading rules and be very disciplined with them, or else you could lose money. So let's jump right into this video. But first, make sure you check out my Discord free trading chat room link down below. Make sure you check out my S&P Emini weekly trade zones, things like this. If you're looking to trade, that's what we're going to talk about too in this video. So $50 for a lifetime subscription. And also, if you swing trade stocks and options, check out my Patreon page, $8 a month. All the links are down below. But let's jump right into this video. Why you must abide and stick to your trading rules. So this morning, okay, in the video in my chat room on Discord, I gave a couple zones, right? Watch above and below. And the lower zone was 76 by 78.50. Okay. And as we started falling, I'm like, hey, just a heads up, watch for this 76 to 78.50 level. And we start to fall, right? Came down, bounced, came down again. And one of my rules when I trade the trade zones is if we come within maybe 1 to 2 points, I usually don't take the trade. Meaning if we come within a point to 2 points here and then have a nice bounce of about 3 or 4 points higher, I'll just pass on the zone if we fall back into this zone, right? The reason being is sometimes it'll work, but as you're going to see, sometimes it doesn't, right? Price will blow right through. The reason I do this, and I have this rule, and hopefully this will help you guys, is because at the end of the day, when you look at the market structure, right, we actually have a bear flag. Right? If we kind of draw just a flag right here, right? We'll get rid of this green. We have the flagpole, sideways action, and then chances are, if we break below this, we're going to break below and just blow right through the trade zone and probably get stopped out. That's why I have that 1 to 2 point trade rule. And as you can see, the high of this zone was 78.50. The low of this price was 79.50. That comes within my 1 point range, and we see the nice bounce off that reaction. Second is we also had the divergence, right? Look at this. We have a nice divergence right here, new lower high. So chances are if we come all the way back down, we break below this low after this divergence, it's just essentially letting you know, hey, this trade's probably not going to work because there's too much selling pressure down below. So hopefully that kind of helps for you guys to really kind of understand a little more of how to trade these trade zones and things like that, right? Look at the market structure. We in the bear flag, right? Or a potential bull flag. Sometimes we'll see a bull flag, right? With a trade, let's just pretend there's a trade zone here, right? And then all of a sudden we have a bull flag and we just kind of barely miss. Let's kind of bring this a little smaller. Okay, and then move this up. And let's say we just come up, we miss it, pull back. Well, here's your pullback. You got to be okay with missing the trade. And look at what happens. Next thing, boom, break out of this bigger bull flag. Right here, we'll say, right? Here would be our bull flag, right? Just like on the downside. And so look at the power, because a lot of times there's a lot of pent up demand or energy that's going to go through. So hopefully that helps. Also, make sure if you guys like these videos, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the videos. That's it for that. Now, real quick, just a recap for what I believe will happen tomorrow in the S&P futures. Right now, watch this potential weakness, potential divergence setting up. Everything on the RSI is kind of setting up. I said in my weekend video, watch for a break below the previous day, right? So this was today's action. This is our current action overnight. And so if we break below this 46.66 level, we will now be in a reverse, in a waterfall, and we will have broken the reverse waterfall. 1, 2, 3, 4 higher lows. This candle would actually trigger this reverse waterfall, and then we would start to count the highs, right? So that's what I'm looking for. This is options expiration week. So just kind of keep that in mind. Options do expire this week, things like that. But maybe we kind of pull back, retest these lows sometime this week, fill in a little bit of this market profile, but we will see. With that being said, thank you, as always, for watching. Make sure you check out my S&P futures, Patreon, all that stuff. Links down below. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.